What is going on, everybody? My name is Matt and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 more Solana projects I think you guys might want to take a look at. I know you guys love the Solana stuff, so I'm going to keep it coming. If you guys are new, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and let's get right into it, folks. So the first project that I wanted to show you guys today is something called AlphaGorillas. Now, you guys might remember this project from a long time ago. You might be thinking, hey, wait a minute, that sounds very familiar. That's because it is familiar. AlphaGorillas launched a while back, and they've been holding steady ever since. This project is something I bought right on launch, and I've actually been holding it since. A lot of people have been asking me about this project over the past few months, and to be honest with you guys, I have really seen a great stride from these folks in terms of innovating in the Solana industry. So what do these guys have going on? Well, essentially, they have created something called AlphaPad, and if you don't know what AlphaPad is, that is their revenue sharing platform essentially for people who hold on to AlphaGorillas. So 25% of the AlphaPad revenue is given out to Alpha holders weekly in Solana. Now, if you don't want to just guess what it is, here is their actual website. So what AlphaPad does is essentially launches other projects. This is a launch pad for new Solana NFTs. Now, this is of course fantastic because there are so many projects out there that are always looking for a way to get on the Magic Eden launchpad and all these other ones, and it is always nice to see a new competitor entering the field. So innovation is our priority and revolution is our passion. The launchpad that connects and takes your projects to the next level. We don't ask about your budget, we just deliver. That is fantastic, and here you guys can see some of their future launches. So they do have a lot of incentives for projects out there that want to mint on the AlphaPad, a lot of customization, teamwork support, all of that, and they have a bunch of different packages as well. They have some security as well. They do video identification of the founders as well as on-video ID verification, which is always great, definitely preventing those rug pulls, and they are involved in the ecosystem. So definitely a lot of awesome stuff going on here with AlphaGorillas. And again, when we take a look at the floor price, folks, 1.4, this is very steady. It has been holding around a floor of above 1 for a long time now, ever since launch. It has basically never gotten below a floor of 1, and again, I can tell why. These guys are consistently innovating, and on top of it all, they do have their game coming out in around 2 to 3 months. The demo should be available for those that want to check it out. Once again, I love to see projects that have been grandfathered in the Solana industry continuing to innovate and continuing to grow, even though they've been around for a while. I love to see that. Again, that is execution of a roadmap, and that is ultimately what separates bad projects from extremely quality ones in the long run. But before we go any further, guys, let's talk a little bit about my Patreon. I have worked tirelessly to make this the best NFT group out there. By joining my Patreon, you guys get literally an insane amount of content. You'll get a custom Discord role, direct access to me in a DM, full access to Matt's NFT dojo, crypto and altcoin trade signals, access to my exclusive NFT watch list, whitelist opportunities, priority access to my live streams, and so much more. To be honest with you guys, I think it's a steal for only $10 a month. And of course, if you guys would like to talk to me over voice in a voice call, you guys could always join the Emerald and above tier, which has that offered. Currently, there are hundreds of people joining the Patreon every month, and they absolutely love it. Link down below in the description. Now, the next project I wanted to take a look at here is something called Bohemia. Now, I called out this project a little while ago on my Patreon back when it was a floor of only around 4.8. So I've made a decent profit on this project so far, but I do think they definitely have some room to grow in the future as well. So Bohemia is Solana's interactive NFT art fair that 5,000 Bohemians call home. The project combines a unique 3D environment gallery concept with stunning art, tokenomics, staking, and multiple burning mechanics. Comes with the full package. So first off, the art here is very creative. I'm definitely looking at new projects that are detailed and not copy paste looking, and again, this is very unique. The thin kind of profile is very interesting. I haven't really seen a lot of projects that utilize this style on Solana yet. I've seen a few things on Ethereum that have something similar, but not on Solana yet, and I definitely do think this is very unique in terms of art and design. But when we take a little look at their website, here is what these guys have in store. So they are essentially the art fair of the metaverse. So they are an interactive sort of art gallery where you could go and take a look at your NFTs in real time. And their goal is to unite all the wondrous artworks living on the Solana and Ethereum blockchain and curate them into art exhibitions unlike anything seen before. The galleries of Bohemia are excited to work, create, and unite with the NFT community. So they were created by a renowned Filipino artist, Gringo Grass, who has hand-drawn over 170 custom attributes, giving them each their own character. character. And again, they really do have their own feel, and that's ultimately why I initially found this project and liked it. So essentially, they are a 3D art gallery. You can go and look at your projects. You could stake the Whoop token by staking your Bohemian NFT in Bohemia. You could also earn Whoop by participating and displaying your NFTs. And overall, it really looks like these guys just know what they're doing. And the final project I want to talk about with you guys today is actually a follow-up on one I mentioned a while ago. This is the Solana MonkeRejects project, which, to be honest with you guys, I think is one of the nicest profile picture projects out there. They don't have all that much in terms of like an in-depth roadmap or whatnot. You guys can see on their website here, there isn't all that much going on with these guys. They do have some metaverse stuff coming up here in the near future, but honestly, these guys win on their art alone. I think these guys have beautiful artwork. They have an incredible community over on Twitter and Discord, and sometimes that's all you need. You know, I don't think that profile picture projects, so to speak, are becoming all that more popular now, but stuff like this that really does stand out is an exception to me. Solana MonkeRejects I bought originally, I think at around 1.5 or 2 Solana, and again, I did mention that on my Patreon at the time, but something I love about this project is, again, the artwork is quality, it is detailed. I would say this parallels much of the very expensive Ethereum projects out there that you would find on like OpenSea, and again, much cheaper to afford something like Solana MonkeRejects. And I do think these guys are primed to hit a floor of maybe 10 one day, as you know, some future bull runs come in the near future. So that being said, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it, and a personal shout out to AlphaGorillas for collaborating with me on the video today. I really do appreciate it, and like I tell you guys in every single video, I only accept the collaboration if I actually like the project. And of course, AlphaGorillas have been impressing me an awful lot. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.